Hi friends, this video we are going to look for VLOOKUP. Okay, the basic thing we are going to learn from the VLOOKUP, how we have to do it, and what are the useful for VLOOKUP. These are all the things only we are going to look in this video. Okay, what is VLOOKUP in a sense? That is vertical lookup. Okay, in a vertical way, this is what vertical, right? This is a way if you are going in a sense that is vertical. So based on vertical basis, we are looking the value, we are finding out the value from the master file, call it as VLOOKUP. We are doing for Excel analysis and everything else, right? For analysis purpose and all, VLOOKUP, it is very, very useful. And what are the other useful in a sense in order to identify for the respective item or thing, that is very useful. In a big data, for a big data analyst and data analyst, those people are using VLOOKUP oftenly. Okay, these are all the main useful for the VLOOKUPs. Okay, let me go and look how we can do it for VLOOKUP. Okay, so this is the file, this is the master file for me. I need to find out only couple of orders. Those orders belongs to prepaid orders or that is a COD orders. Okay, so this will be the order related to delivery type of orders. Okay, these all delivery as well as pickup type of orders. Only couple of orders we are going to find it out, it is related to COD or prepaid. If it is a big data, okay, if it is a whole data available for 1000 and 2000, one by one we cannot drive all the detail, right? If it is available only 10 cells, easily we can find it out. Okay, where is the order number, we can find it out easily. If it is available multiple field and all, it is not that much easier to identify. That's the reason we are using for VLOOKUP. Let's see how we can do it. Okay, this is what the master file, only couple of orders. Example, I'm copying over here. 1 minute, I'm copying over here. Just I'm mentioning these are all the values we are going to look up. What is a payment type as well as how much it will be the amount, that is what we are going to identify. Okay, and this we can put for. Okay, just we can do it equal to how we can use for VLOOKUP formula. V stands for vertical. Okay, that is vertical lookup. So I am typing for VLOOKUP. Let me 1 minute. Yeah, then it is very easier for you to look. Okay, so equal to VLOOKUP open bracket, it has given for lookup value table array comma column index and range lookup. Now we are going to look the value of this one, that is what lookup value. We need the value of this respective order number. We are going to finding out for the payment type as well as for the what is the amount. So let me type it here, order number, payment type and order value. Okay, so example equal to VLOOKUP open bracket, lookup value is this one, and from here it is available comma, same comma you can put, and table array where you are going to look this order number. So where we are going to look this order number for the payment type, this table. So just you can select this table, click it and press Ctrl plus Shift as well as for the right arrow. Okay, so whole table and down arrow, whole table has been selected. Okay, now what are you going to do? You have to give for comma. Okay, table array selected comma, next column index number. We are going to look for payment type, right? So what is the index number? How we know the index number? So index number in a sense, the number of column, the number of which number it is available for the payment type. The first variable, second order number, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it will be 11. Index number has been over. We have to put comma and range lookup. Okay, range lookup they told, and it has mentioned for the bracket. Not required to put for the bracket, just you can put if it is approximate match or exact match. So we require for exact match. You can type it for false or else you can put it for 0. Okay, if you require for exact match, you can put it for you can write it over here, example, just you can type it, select false, that is false, you can type it, or else you can choose for 0. I'm choosing for 0, then close the bracket. Now you can understand, same table itself you are doing, you don't want to go anywhere else, just you can click as enter. See, this respective order will be a prepaid order, so just I am tracking over here. So these are all the order will be prepaid and COD. Okay, let me do cross check this order. Okay, it's prepaid or COD. We are going to check 5221. So 5221, it will be the prepaid order. Okay, and anonymously we can check it over here. This will be okay, this one 5945 5945. So just you can copy this order number and find control F, type it and search. See, this order will be the COD order, and over here also available COD. Okay, and this is a way you can identify. And for the order value, same formula, if you are copying and pasting over there, it will not appear. Why? Because see here, E6, which is E6, this is E6 for prepaid, but we need to look for this order number related to what is the order value, right? So the formula will be wrong. So what you have to do, just we have to change it. So I'm deleting over here. I will tell you same thing only, equal to VLOOKUP open bracket, just you can select order number comma table array, where you're going to look this order value, this table, click this table, go up and select as a whole table. And for the order value, what's the number? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Order value is 11, put comma and 12. Exact match is required, so type it as 0, then close the bracket, give us enter. So order value has been come for 0, just you can track it here. So it is available for values. Let me check this 175 is correct or not. Okay, 2626. So whereas 2626 it is available, and 175 it is correct. And you can check this value 14, that is 4124. 4124, it is prepaid, it is 0. Okay, then the last one you can check it 860 5945. Just copy this value and find it here, control F, paste, and see COD 860. So it is fetched. So we need in a couple of information, we need only few things. So that kind of cases you can use for VLOOKUP formula. This is a way you can do it VLOOKUP. I think you can understand from this for the basics of VLOOKUP. This is a way you can do it for VLOOKUP. This is a way we can use VLOOKUP function. Okay, and one more case I will tell you. Suppose the order value is not available in the master file. Okay, over here something I will type it for what is the number, 52333. Okay, and I'm giving us enter. This is the order number, just I'm tracking over here, just I'm tracking over here. Okay, example, copy, and you can find it out, control V. So respective value is not available, that is respective order number not available in the master file. That's the reason it is showing for NA. Okay, so whenever you're lookuping some value, that respective figure should be available in the master file, then only it will fetch in your calculation area. Okay, I think you will understand from this is a basic one by one we can look for the VLOOKUP. What about the multiple field, how we can find it out, whatever error will come, if it is available for duplicates in the master file, we can fetch all the data or not, that and all we can look for the part 2 and part 3 like that. Okay, thank you friends, thank you for watching this. Bye.